name is Abdul Rashid Ali. My student ID is 215-66864. I currently study computer science in my second year. This is for the module of mobile web development application, A2 reset slash resubmission. So in this specific task, I've been tasked to create a native music application using Android Studios, and I prefer database, which I'll be using Firebase for, called Dance. So as you can see here, after launching my application, it's a very simple interactive UI design with just two colors as primary colors, the blue and the white, making it easier for users to, it's not too much detail, but it's very simple. So even people of all ages will be able to use it and access it. So I'm going to go ahead and show you some of the activities I've created. So this is the login activity. This is the forgot password activity. And this is the register activity, which has a two-step registration, which I'm going to go ahead quickly and make. So this is the first step, just putting in simple information, contact details and such, and date of birth. And then we go ahead with the second step. Once it's successfully. And then with this step, just quickly enter the code here. The user will be able to enter their customer details and such. So let me quickly just fill in 242424, just random numbers. Expiration date 1224. Security code 111. So the members, users have the ability to go pick a specific subscription for membership they can choose. You can either choose a free membership or the gold membership with unlimited songs. So I'm going to quickly just go ahead and select free membership. Lovely. So once you've registered, I'm going to quickly show you why I use the database. So I use Firebase database because it stores my data, which syncretion of, I don't know how to pronounce the word, but it syncs, which essentially just means the data is instantly updated across all connected platforms. So I'm going to go ahead to my authentication, and as you can see here, my details are here with a unique user UID. Going back to the application itself, users, once they registered, will have a brief information about the app, and just immerse yourself within the app. Users can create an application. I'm going to go ahead and just show you. I'm going to create a playlist called Chill. And with that playlist, once I click on it, there's no songs in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for just a bunch of random songs. So I'm going to add this to the playlist, select it. I'm going to add this to the playlist. So this is two songs for now. Once they've been added, I will now access my playlist. Once I go to my playlist, I should have 2 songs. As you can see here, the songs and functionality of the music is in fact switch. songs you can play. I've included 10 songs specifically as minimum. You don't want to do too much. Users can also have access to their account details. As you can see, all my information is here. I can change membership if I feel the need to. And what I did enjoy is I did include a home page where people can just enjoy music when they join the app. Okay, so that's basically a quick introduction to the app itself and the functionality of the app. Quite simple. I didn't do too much, even though I should have, but I believe this is the best I've got for now. But I genuinely did enjoy creating this app, and I honestly would love to continue making projects similar to this app with the knowledge that I've gained from semester 1. In addressing the backend code of my native application, music app called Dance, there was an issue with the login navigation. There seemed to be like a bug due to the non-blocking Firebase requests. I changed the code for just in case for any reliabilities. And initially, the nested Firebase listeners add on complete listener and add listener for single value event were causing unusual behavior under various network conditions. So I simply resolved this by separating the user experience and verification from the single with the sign in with email and password method. So as you can see in line 61, so I implemented this so there wasn't any reoccurring behavior with the network conditions. So now the app should first confirm successful authentication and then checks the user's presence in the database, ensuring user consistently reaching the main activity post login. Regarding I did have another issue with the forgot password activity page. So I ran into like a reoccurring big problem where users weren't told right away if their password reset email was sent or not. This personally caused me a lot of confusion, and I've attempted multiple tries, which wasn't great for the system. But so I changed, so I kind of revamped it and changed it and just modified it. Now, when the user hits the send button to reset the password, a loading screen should pop up so they know something's happening. I also use this cool feature from the Firebase called send password reset email to handle the email stuff behind the scenes. Yeah, in terms of the code, these are probably the two main issues I had on the activity pages. But in terms of, the layout, etc., it was quite self-explanatory. I knew exactly with my Figma design, I knew exactly what I was going to design and how I was going to do it. Got a bunch of random pictures from the internet for the music playlists and such. But yeah, overall, I enjoyed this, the coded aspect as well as the UI designing aspect of this project.